Hi everyone! Today I would like to share how I made this daisy vine bracelet. First, fold all the 3 strings in half and make one larkhead knot using the vine string, which is green here. After setting it up, take the green string on the right and make 7 backward-forward knots onto the other 2 strings. Now take the left green string and make 7 forward-backward knots onto the other 2 strings. Form the initial loop and attach it firmly onto the working surface. Take the 2 green strings and make 1 square knot onto 4 other strings. We will start using the orange for the first flower. Place the 2 orange strings from outside the 2 other strings in the center. Connect the 2 orange strings using either double backward knots or double forward knot. Now we'll work on the right side. Take the same orange string and make 1 single forward knot onto the other 2 strings. Now using the same orange string, make 1 single backward knot onto the green string only. In other words, we just made 1 forward-backward knot, first half onto 2 strings and second half onto 1 string. Now make 1 forward-backward knot onto the green string using the same orange string. Now we do the same things on the left side in a mirror image. Use the orange string and make 1 single backward knot onto the 2 other strings. Now make 1 single forward knot onto the green string only. In other words, we just made 1 backward forward knot, first half onto both strings and second half onto 1 string. Make 1 backward forward knot onto the green string using the orange string. Now connect the 2 yellow strings in the center using either double backward knots or double forward knots. Now we will work on the right side first to close the flower. Take the orange string and make one single forward knot onto the green string. Now make one single backward knot onto both green and yellow strings using the orange string. In other words, we just made one forward backward knot, first half onto one string and second half onto 2 strings. Now on the left side, make a single backward knot on the green string using the orange string. Now make a single forward knot onto green and yellow strings using the orange string. In other words, we just made one backward forward knot, first half onto one string and second half onto 2 strings. Now use the 2 orange strings and make one double forward knot or one double backward knot in order to close the flower. Now set the 2 green strings on each side. Make one square knot, just like we did after making the initial loop. Now we make the second square knot, but this time we keep the space between the first and the second square knot. I keep the space around 12 millimeters or half an inch, or I also use the top of my little finger. After making the 2 square knots with the space in between, push up the second knot as close as possible to the first square knot. Now we move on to the color 2 flower, which is yellow here. Set the 2 yellow strings in the center by putting over each of the orange strings. Here we do exactly the same thing as we made the first flower, just the opposite colors. Repeat these steps until it reaches the desired length. After making the last flower, use the 2 green strings and make 1 square knot before making the tails. Now divide the 6 strings in half and make 2 3-strand braids. Finish each of the strands with overhand knots. Cut the excessive strings and you're done. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon.